Okay guys, today I've got a Crosley, which is made by Whirlpool, washer, and then I've got a Whirlpool dryer I'm going to show you next. But this washer, we've got it going, full load, jeans, towels, filling up with water right now. And I'm just going to kind of come back through the cycle here. We're just doing a normal cycle, warm water. So as it goes through this cycle, I'm just going to show you that everything works on it good, as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. The washer goes through a 28-point inspection, the dryer goes through a 22-point inspection. That way we know everything works perfect before it leaves my care here. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my stuff. You'll know that everything works good. And so it's on to the agitation portion. You can hear it's got a good strong agitation. Stops when we lift this up, which is great. Means the lid switch, the safety switch, works like it should. So we're going to let that run through, and then I'll come back when it gets over to the spin cycle. Let you hear and see that everything runs smooth. Okay, we've gone through the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it's draining. So you know the pump and all that works like it should. Now it's going to fill back up and go through the rinse cycle. Okay, just kicked over to the spin cycle. It just drained all the water out. I'm going to give it just a minute to get up to full speed. Alright, and we're full speed now. You can see it's a nice smooth operation. Sounds great. Then I'm going to lift up this lid and show you that it is in fact spinning very fast. Not really supposed to do that, it's not recommended, but for testing purposes I do it to show you that one, the lid switch works, and two, it is spinning. It comes to a complete stop. So that's pretty much it for this guy. We'll let it finish up. We'll move those clothes over to the dryer and I'll show you that the dryer works. Okay, now we are on to the Whirlpool dryer. This is an Amana dryer, but it's built by the Whirlpool Corporation. So depending on where you pick these up, Home Depot, Lowe's, they have different surnames, but it's all essentially built by Whirlpool now. Anyway, we've got this going on here. We'll just start over. I'm going to show you. Moved over here. Time dry. Hit go. Sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So 2 red dots is where the heat is being measured in between. So let me turn this backlight off. There we go, maybe see it a little better. So I'm gonna pop this thread in here, right inside the heating element tube, so you can see it's nice and hot. Plenty of heat coming out of there. Get one more picture. And then the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195. Just depends on what you have the heat setting at. So now you know it's heating like it's supposed to. We've also got an auto dry setting on here. Lint filter. We're going to do a little bit of touch up on this dryer. I like to make these look as new as I possibly can. So check that out in the pictures. That's it on these guys. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.